You guys, what's up? It's Tuesday. Yeah, I haven't posted anything in a while. Been a bit busy, but I'm gonna try and get a better track record of videos up. Business plan competition basically this past semester in entrepreneurship. Been writing a business plan, and we had our contest last week on Wednesday. I ended up winning the contest, so I get $1,000 and get to go on to a regional competition later on this week on Thursday. So hopefully I do well at that, and if I do well on that, I'll advance one more level. The question for this week was what's our most possessed, or I guess beloved possession. And I didn't really know how to answer that. I didn't really know what context to take it. So not wanting to go too personal with sentimental objects, but not wanting to go too boring with something else, I figured that I'll say that my favorite thing that I have is Rubik's Cube. And I actually have a couple different sizes, this one being the smallest and this one being the biggest, 7x7. I thought of a way to the question, as well as get some more views. I'm going to go over exactly how to solve one of these over the next couple of videos, because it takes too long to explain doing one video. Well, the first thing you want to do is most people are trying to solve it face by face, first solving white, and solving green or red or whatever the case is. What I find easier, instead of solving it face by face, so you solve it by layer by layer by layer. That way there's only 3 aspects of the cubes that you're working with, rather than just one. And so if you work with it long enough, you'll be able to use logic to figure out how to solve the first 2 layers. It's not easy, but it's possible. So here I have the first, one more piece. So here I have the first 2 layers completed. And so for the next the final layer in this cube, I'm going to eventually go over how to solve all of them. But obviously it's really hard to figure out how exactly you're supposed to do this without messing with the rest of it. And so what you want to do is do some sort of random move, but of course you have to memorize what that move is and write it down. But basically you want to do some sort of random move that restores everything back the way it was, but moves the other pieces around. So then if you document where all the pieces started and document where all of them moved to, then you'll figure out exactly how that move moved the cube, and then you can manipulate that to move pieces to exactly where you want them to go. And there we go. And keep watching out. In future weeks I'm going to show exactly what I did to solve it. For the question, it was what is her favorite quote or something from somebody. So I don't really know, but it'd probably be one of these.
In fine print on the last page of the Guinness Book of World Records, it notes that all world records are held by Chuck Norris. And those listed in the book are simply the closest anyone else has ever gotten.
Yeah, that's true.
When the boogeyman goes to sleep every night, he checks his closet for Chuck Norris.
Yeah, this is Adam. It's been Tuesday. And thanks for watching. And keep watching. Whether that is amazing.